Well, that was a speculative piece of bowling, to say the least.
Missing the radar. It's off the foot. I'm sure he won't mind the 2 runs going to him, Harsh Tucker.
They won't mind how they come for the Bolts. They only need 26. What a remarkable final we've been treated to. It's over to HD Ackerman and Mikhail Viswani to bring you home. 159 for 2. Well. Jiminisham in the dugout, and it's Milanta magic and the resilience of Tucker, and they're taking the Bolts to a famous win here at the Tribhuvan University International Cricket Stadium. What energy! 26 of 30, HD Ackerman alongside me. It's a wow atmosphere.
I can't believe you've just touched the money and given the Bolts the trophy already. What are you doing?
Yeah, this has been an innings of very high caliber and pedigree by Lahiru Milanta.
It has been crying out for someone when playing an innings like this to take control and take his team over the line. The only way back for the Royals is if he tries to entertain and the batters that follow try and entertain and throw it away in the process. Because it should be an absolute doddle from here. Just 5 and over. But what an innings it's been from Milanta.
Yeah, they've just been struck by Bolts here. Slow. Still at the moment, nothing going the Royals' way.
Isn't it amazing how everything that you've been so good at throughout the group stages, through the qualifiers, desert you in the final when it matters most. But that is the beauty of a final. Quite exceptional. That is the beauty of a final. Quite exceptional. But today they're being played off the park. But today they're being played off the park.
Pulls it. Yeah, for the moment it looks like they've been outplayed and outclassed by the oppositions. In the first half of the innings, you felt the Bolts were running everywhere, and it all changed in a matter of minutes.
Yeah, they might turn around and say, well, we are 15 or 20 short. No. The way that the Bolts have played, the way that Milanta has played, they might be 40 or 50 short. No. Because he's not even in 6th gear anymore. He's happy to knock it around for a single, the occasional 4. If they bowl a bad one, he hits you out the ground. It's been an exhibition of T20 batting.
75 unbeaten runs in the first outing for the Bolts, and today in the big final, unbeaten on 87 of 48 at a strike rate of over 180. The Milanta magic took centre stage. And what an outing it's been for the Bolts. Oh, he stopped. Edged this one. Soft dismissal to an innings that had so much of class laced in it. Milanta will have to walk back. Some success here for the Royals as Kugelline strikes.
What an innings. What an innings. Kugelline decides to whack this in. There's pace, there's power behind it. It rushes Milanta. It's some delivery if you're going to do that to a man who's got 87. But he might just have done enough. That is a quite exceptional innings. Lahiru Milanta leaves the stadium with 87. It might be a match-winning innings. 166 for 3.